Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need developer options active before you change animation scale. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap build number 7 times. You'll see a brief confirmation. Once done, go back to Settings and open Developer Options. Make sure you understand why. These toggles control UI animation timing globally. This step is essential because without developer options, you can't access window animation scale, transition animation scale, or animator duration scale. Now find the drawing section where those 3 controls live. You'll now change the actual scales. Tap Window Animation Scale and choose 0. 5x for snappier responses or 1x to keep standard timing. 0x disables animations entirely for instant transitions. Do the same for Transition Animation Scale and Animator Duration Scale so the system feels consistent. Why match them? Because mismatched values can make animations look odd or stutter. If you want a subtle speed up, pick 0. 75x. If you prefer maximum speed, choose 0x but be aware some apps expect animations. After changing scales, test by opening apps, switching between screens, and interacting with menus to confirm the perceived speed. If something looks off or UI elements jump, reset all 3 scales to 1x and reboot. That often resolves timing conflicts. If issues continue, clear the affected app's cache or uninstall recent updates because some apps rely on animation timing. Finally, remember battery and performance trade-offs. Disabling animations saves milliseconds and may feel faster, but re-enable if visual continuity matters to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.